One chilly autumn afternoon, she decided to make her grandmother's famous stew. The recipe had been passed down through generations, but Clara had only seen it made once, long ago, by her grandmother's steady hands. She rummaged through her pantry, pulling out potatoes, carrots, onions, and herbs, but when she reached for the meat, she realized there was none. Instead of panicking, Clara smiled. She knew her grandmother would have said, "You don't need the finest cuts to make something delicious. You just need to use what you have and believe in it." She grabbed a handful of dried beans, soaked them in warm water, and began chopping the vegetables. As she added the beans, she thought about the times her grandmother would hum